Hello, I'm Christopher Anderson with Group 2 in our ECE 495 research project. Let's see here. This is probably going to be one of our last video updates given how far we are into the project, but let's see what we got done so far. The first thing I noticed was that our robot now has a new paint job. We've got it all decked out in Clemson orange and purple and a little bit of black. So our most of the black and orange is on the our ball feed tube, which is now looks a lot like a tiger tail. But that's just cosmetic. That's not going to be fun. The thing's going to work the same way no matter whether it's painted or not. So on to more serious things is our safety report. We have got that done and are pleased to say that we did not find anything that's going to frequently happen that'll kill anyone. In fact, it didn't seem like there was too much that we should be really focused on reducing the risk of too much, which we may still try to reduce some of the safety issues we found, but it won't be a priority. We have some more pressing needs on the robot for now. For example, the motors. In our last test, the motors appeared to work, but they tore themselves up in the process. So, this week we had replaced them with a pair of new motors for shooting the ball. These new motors are geared down about 15 to 1, and we appear to have a new pair of wheels on them as well. Unfortunately, in our test this week, these new motors weren't that powerful, or they weren't powerful enough. We were able to get a fair speed out of them, but we needed them to be faster. The best we could have done with those motors was getting those balls just under the lip of the cups that we're trying to shoot them in, and we weren't getting near the distance we needed. So, probably one of our biggest priorities for now is to search for new motors that are a little bit more powerful and can spin a lot faster. Hopefully fast enough to fire the balls at the speeds we need them to. Next up is programming. We still have a few minor details to work out with the program, and this late into the game we've pretty well decided it's best that maybe we all try to pitch in to help our computer engineering students working with us. It's our computer engineering teammate. So I'm not entirely sure just what the state of our program is right now. I've heard it's been coming along alright, but I think we believe it's a project that we'd all need to work together to get it all done in time for next week. Also for this weekend we hope to have new motors installed and ready to fire the thing, ready to test the device again. And I don't know, that seems to be just about everything we've done so far. So we're making progress. Hopefully it's enough progress to result in a robot that will do the game and not tear itself apart in the process.